equation 2 and 3. Equation 2 and 3. Substitute equation number 1. Equation number 1. So what is the equation number 1 is there? V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. Here from equation 3, what is there? The R1 is equal to R plus L cos theta. Then R2 is equal to how much is there? R minus L cos theta. Then these two values substitute here. See what we are getting by there here, the V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R2. R2 is equal to how much? R minus L cos theta minus 1 by R plus L cos theta. Take here the LCM. Now LCM we are taken by then Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Right here the R minus L cos theta into R plus L cos theta. R plus L cos theta. See, write the cross multiplication is the R plus L cos theta minus R minus L cos theta. See, one trigonometry of the formula is there. From trigonometry of the formula, A minus B into A plus B is equal to A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. What is the principle is there? The A square minus B. See, this is a A and this is a B. This is a A and this is a B. A minus B into A plus B. What we can write here? The A square minus B square. And it is a minus is multiplication of the both terms. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R plus L cos theta. Minus into plus minus R. Minus into minus plus L cos theta by what you can write here? The R square minus L square into cos square theta according to trigonometry formula. Here the plus R minus R gets cancelled. L cos theta plus L cos theta 2L cos theta Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2L cos theta by R square minus L square cos square theta. This is the resultant of electric potential. But here we know the formula. What is the formula for the electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment. P is equal to the length of the dipole into neither of charge. The product of the charge. Q into 2L is equal to how much is there here the P. Then here the Q into PL is equal to what we can write the P can substitute here. Then write the electric potential. So there is a V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta by R square minus L square cos square theta. See, this is the one of the formula for the electric potential at any point due to an electric dipole. If dipole, the short dipole, if short dipole means R is greater than of L. R is greater than of L. That means the L of the term total we can remove. The remaining what is there? The electric potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta by R square. See, this is the formula from a electric potential due to a electric dipole. See here. Now we have the two special cases are there. Now the first case one, if theta is equal to 0 degrees, then we can substitute here the V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P into cos of 0 by R square. Cos 0, how much is there? 1. 1 into P. Then the P axial. What is called this? P axial. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. See, this is the formula of a electric potential on axial line. What is the formula? Is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. Now the case 2. if theta is equal to 90 degrees, theta is equal to 90, that is called as the perpendicular, nothing but is called the equatorial. What is called as an equatorial? Now equatorial, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p cos of 90 degrees by r square. Cos 90, how much is that? 0. 0 into something? 0. Then the potential on equatorial, potential on equatorial is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. The next we are discussing about the points of zero potential. Zero potential, that means at any point the resultant of electric potential is equal to 0. At any point the resultant of electric potential is equal to 0. That point is called as the zero potential. That point is called as the zero potential. The first, let us consider we are taken by the two like charges. What is taken by the two like charges? This is the Q1, this is the Q2. Like means the both have them have the positive charge. Now write the if two like charges. If two like charges. Now these two like charges are separated by distance. Are separated by the distance is d. How much of the distance is there? The d. Now the electric potential, when it's a like charges, this is a point, this is the b point. Now the zero electric potential is the form between the two charges. This point we consider the p point. What is considered the p point. The when if the two like charges is there, the electric potential is 0, is the between the charge. Now this a to p is the distance is considered the x, and the remaining distance we consider the d minus x, because of the total distance to negligible of this distance is equal. Now at point P point, the both the sum of the resultant electric potential is equal to V1 plus V2. This is the V1 due to one positive charge Q1 and the negative charge, the another charge of Q2, the electric potential. But here the resultant potential is equal to 0, that is equal to V1 plus V2. Then V1 is equal to, right, the minus V2. But here we consider the magnitude of the potential V1 is equal to minus of V2. Then at the potential of P point, the V1 is equal to V2. We know the electric potential due to a point charge. What is the formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. But Q by R, here the charge how much is there? Q1. And distance how much is there? A to P point is the distance is R replaced by the X. Since we can write it the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is the electric potential. The similarly we can write the V2 also. See here to here how much of distance is d minus x, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge how much is there? The Q2 by d minus x. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon gets cancelled. The remaining we can write the Q1 by x is equal to Q2 by d minus x. And again it's like the cross multiplication. See the Q2 is Q1 is taken this side and d minus x is taken this side. Then we can write here the d minus x by x is equal to Q2 by Q1. Then we can dividing here the d by x minus x by x is equal to Q2 by Q1. Now its cancel is the minus 1. This minus 1 is taken this side. It have the plus 1. D by x is equal to Q2 by Q1 plus 1. Then we can find out the x, the position of the null point. The x is taken this side and it will, then x is equal to d by Q2 by Q1 plus 1. See, this is the formula of a, the electric potential is the 0 when the two are like charges. Two are like charges. X is equal to d by Q2 by Q1 plus 1.